Good evening, everyone. My name is Sham Sharma, and welcome to Timers Travel Talks, episode number 46. Dosto, I'm so happy that today is International Women's Day. So, congratulations to all of you strong women out there. आपकी वजह से ये दुनिया इतनी स्ट्रांग है, आपकी वजह से दुनिया एग्जिस्ट करती है और आप लोगों की वजह से ये दुनिया है. So I bow down to all of you strong women out there जो कि इतना contribute करते हैं society में. So really wish you a very great International Women's Day. So Timers Travel Talks का ये 46th एपिसोड इतना स्पेशल है क्योंकि नंबर वन इट इज इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे. सेकेंड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग विच इज वेरी क्लोज टू माई हार्ट, a place which is very close to my heart. It's Jamaica. So it's part 2 of our Jamaica series. So दोस्तों लास्ट टाइम हमने डिस्कस किया कि जमैका कहाँ लोकेटेड है, उसका डेमोग्राफिक कैसा है, कैसे लोग वहां रहते हैं, क्या वहां का कल्चर है, इस टाइप की बातें हमने की. आज मैं आपको थोड़े से स्पेसिफिक जगह पे लेके जाऊंगा. क्योंकि आपको आइडिया होना चाहिए कि अगर आप वहां जाने का डिजायर रखते हैं, अगर आप वहां जाने का प्लानिंग करते हैं तो आपको कहां जाना चाहिए. सो दोस्तों टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट प्लेसेस इन जमैका. नाउ first destination that we have is Portland. Okay, so Portland is northern coastal area of Jamaica. In last episode I mentioned that Jamaica is not a big country. It is a relatively small country in terms of square kilometers. तो पोर्टलैंड एक ऐसी जगह है दोस्तों जहां पे आपको pristine water in terms of beaches, in terms of river, in terms of waterfall, आपको सब मिलेगा. And you can enjoy this place without any hesitation because it is a little bit remotely placed and it is relatively very safe compared to other parts of Jamaica. So Portland एक ऐसी जगह है जहां पे you'll find beaches as I mentioned, and I'm sitting at this location because you can imagine what Portland would like be. So पोर्टलैंड एक ऐसी जगह है दोस्तों जहां पे जैसा कि मैंने बताया कि you'll find many options of different tastes. So if you're a solo backpacker, if you're a solo traveler in terms of if you like beaches or waterfalls or mountain trekking, या फिर आपको locally लोगों से मिलना है to understand their culture, you have got it all. So दोस्तों there's a place called Draper's Sand Guest House and Goblin Hill Villas in Portland, which is very famous, where you can stay for your visit. And on the other side of this island there is a place called Negril. And ये नेग्रिल जगह पे काफी सारे होटल्स हैं जो कि सोलो ट्रैवलर्स, सोलो बैकपैकर्स को सर्व करते हैं. एंड यू कैन witness some of the most beautiful sunrise and some of the most beautiful beaches around that area. One of the island which is very famous for this in this area is Monkey Island. Now दोस्तों you can go on a small boat ride and you can stay all day in this island. You can even stay overnight अगर आपके पास सही tourist guide है तो then you can do this, but you have to make sure that your safety is at most of the priority in this place because Monkey Island, as much as it is beautiful, it is amazing serene place where you can get clear water and you can enjoy the nature as a solo person, or if you're traveling with a group of friends that are close to you. So you can stay at Monkey Island. ऑल्सो दोस्तों आप लोकल कल्चर भी इंजॉय कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. यू कैन, इफ यू ट्राई, यू कैन बम्प इन टू लोकल पीपल. दे आर वेरी मच protective and nurturing of their old culture. So what they do is they have their cultural events going on every now and then. So आप वहाँ पे एज अ गेस्ट जा सकते हैं and you can enjoy their culture, their dance, their history, their food and their language even. So this is an amazing opportunity, friends, to understand Jamaican culture, Jamaican food, Jamaican people. Now, there's a place called Reach Fall. It is a trekker's dream destination. You can go on this Reach Fall by trekking, and again, the water is crystal clear, not too hot, not too cold, but it's just perfect for a solo traveler, and especially someone like me who loves waterfall. So Reach Fall is the name of this fall. This leads us to a place which is another hiker's paradise, and it's called Blue Mountain. So friends, Blue Mountain एक ऐसा unique place है जहां आप you can go there by trekking, or you can go there by help of local guides. Again, you have to make sure the local guides know what they're doing, otherwise there's no point. So coming back to the topic, you can go on hiking on this mountain, Blue Mountain, and if you're lucky, friends, if the skies are clear, you can see on the other side, you can see Cuba on the other side. How amazing is that? A country which is on another island, but you can see, you can witness Cuba country from Blue Mountain. For me, it is an amazing thing. Please let us know in the comment section, what do you think of this Blue Mountain and witnessing another country from Jamaica. Now, moving on, my friends, river rafting. If this is something you're thinking, that you cannot get any better experience than in Jamaica. Okay, so you can again hire a good tour guide, a local tour guide, and that tour guide will help you in experiencing the local traditional culture of river rafting. It is going to be bamboo boat. Yes, and the bamboo boat where you're going to, bamboo rafting, where you're going to experience this, I would say rather traditional, conventional way of rafting. So you are going to leave everything behind you. जो भी आपका, जो भी आपका baggage है, tension वाला, you keep that behind. Jump on this bamboo raft and enjoy the nature, enjoy this pristine water, pristine adventurous moment. और ये आप कर सकते हैं दो रिवर में, जिसका नाम है रियो ग्रांडे and the other one is Martha Brae River. Those two rivers where you can experience this bamboo rafting. Again, coming back to a local place where you can hang out and you can experience a pure experience of mingling up with the locals. So it is called Ratsas. Ratsas is a place where number of Ratsafranian community live. So ये Ratsafranian community जो है, it is such an amazing privilege if you ask me. So you can mingle with this Ratsafranian people. आपको just एक काम करना है, whether you have a local guide or whether you don't, all you have to do is just go and talk to them, just introduce yourself. अगर आपके पास अच्छा local guide है, then nothing like it, but नहीं है तो उससे भी बढ़िया कुछ नहीं, because you can go and introduce yourself as who you are, or your friends group, or your partner with you. So you can enjoy a pure culture of Ratsafranian people. You can stay with them, you can hang out with them. It is going to be an experience of your lifetime, my friends. Jamaican people are very friendly, and the part that I'm talking about is the safest part of Jamaica. So I can confidently say कि with some proper planning, with some proper guidance, you can enjoy your trip and you can make a heck of a memory out of this trip. So दोस्तों, at the end, I would like to say happy International Women's Day to all of you. And इस अवसर पे, इस great अवसर पे मैं आपको एक ऑफर देना चाहता हूँ, which can be availed from our online platform or offline platform, doesn't matter. For all our women viewers, today, if you buy any backpack from online platform or from Facebook, आप Facebook से भी टाइमर्स के बैकपैक्स खरीद सकते हैं. वी हैव अ ह्यूज रेंज, ग्रेट रेंज on Facebook, on Amazon, on Flipkart, on Snapdeal, and in your local shops as well. So, offer is for our women viewers, you will get a cashback offer once you buy Timeless backpack from online or offline platform, and we'll make sure that you get that cashback. All you have to do is you just have to present your invoice, receipt, and we will give you your cashback. If you have anything that you would like to share, our comment section is open, and we would love to hear your feedback. We always love hearing feedback from you guys. So on that note, I would like to say thank you so much all for your time, and we'll see you again very soon. Until then, bye bye.